friends, today we will see the problem of Wumpus world in artificial intelligence. So this Wumpus world was inspired by a video game called Hunt the Wumpus by Gregory Yug in 1973. So let us understand Wumpus world. Wumpus world is a cave which has rooms connected with passageways. So in total there are 16 rooms in the cave. अब यहाँ एक रूम में वम्पस प्रेजेंट है. वम्पस मतलब कि एनी डेविल, एनी डेमन, बीस्ट, राक्षस, whatever. So this Wumpus will eat everyone who will enter this room. If agent enters this room, then it will be eaten by Wumpus and the game will end. Now in random rooms there are pits. So if agent enters this room, then agent will get stuck in the pit forever and the game will end with a fail. So जिस भी रूम में either वम्पस प्रेजेंट है और पिट प्रेजेंट है, उस रूम्स में एजेंट को एंटर नहीं होना है. नाउ एक और चीज कि वम्पस कैन बी किल्ड बाय एजेंट यूजिंग एन एरो, बट एजेंट हैज वन एंड ओनली वन एरो. And it also has a condition that agent can kill Wumpus while facing it. As well as this Wumpus will emit a horrible scream which will be heard in the whole cave. It will be heard in any room of the cave. Now यहाँ पे agent का goal क्या है? So agent have to enter the cave such that Wumpus and pits वाले room में एंटर नहीं होना है एंड द एजेंट हैव टू सर्च फॉर द गोल्ड, टेक इट एंड देन अगेन कम आउट ऑफ द केव. सो अगर एजेंट गोल्ड के साथ केव से बाहर आ गया, देन द गेम विल बी सक्सेस. सो लेट अस सी सम अनदर रूल्स. सो रूम्स एडजेसेंट टू वम्पस आर स्मेली, दैट इज दे हैव सम स्टेंच. जो भी रूम्स वम्पस के एडजेसेंट है, दे विल हैव सम स्टेंच. सो सेंसिंग द स्टेंच, दिस एजेंट विल रिकॉग्नाइज दैट adjacent room has a wumpus. Now second thing, rooms adjacent to pit has breeze. So sensing this breeze, agent will realize that adjacent room contains pit, so it will not enter there. Now the goal of agent is to find the gold. So gold कैसे मिलेगा उसको? So जिस भी रूम में गोल्ड प्रेजेंट होगा, it will glitter. Room with gold will have the glitter. Now what are the actuators? Actuators का मतलब है कि एजेंट की कौन कौन सी मूवमेंट पॉसिबल है. So it can be left turn, right turn, move forward, move backward, grab, release, shoot, etc. Now what will be the sensor? So agent can sense stench for detecting the presence of Wumpus. Then it will detect or sense breeze to identify pit. Then sensing glitter, it will find that gold is present. Then bump. So bump is for deciding whether there is a way or there is a wall. Then another one is scream of Wumpus. So sensing the scream also, agent can decide the location of Wumpus. Now what are the properties of this environment? Agent के लिए how the environment will look like? So it will be partially observable, deterministic, sequential, static, discrete, and it will contain only one agent. Now we will see P's, performance measure of this environment. So agent will receive plus 1000 point if agent comes out of the cave with gold. Then it will receive minus 1000 point if the agent is being eaten by Wumpus or if agent falls into the pit. Now there is minus 1 for each action. That means we have to perform the minimum possible actions because there is minus 1 for each action. And then last one, there is minus 10 point for using an arrow. So although this agent can kill the Wumpus, but still as there is minus 10 point for using an arrow, we have to avoid entering the room of Wampus and killing it. Now let us see how it gets solved. So first of all, agent is present at this room 1,1. Agent is present in this room, that means that this room is already visited, so we have to write V for visited. Now observe this room. So यहाँ कोई भी टाइप की stench और breeze present नहीं है, so this state is a safe state. stench present नहीं है मतलब कि कोई वम्पस भी नहीं है adjacent rooms में, and breeze present नहीं है कि मतलब कि कोई pits भी present नहीं है, so it is the safe state. So for denoting the safe state we can write OK. So now from this room agent can move either to 2-1 or 1-2. So let's consider first of all it moved to this room. It is 2-1, second row and first column, so room 2-1. Now coming to this room, agent will sense stench here. So sensing the stench, it will become alert. It will realize that any of the adjacent room, either this one or this one, has Wampus. So again it will backtrack to this room by marking this room as visited. Now again it came to 1-1 room. Now it will move to this room 1 and 2. Now after coming to this room, एजेंट को पता चलेगा कि यहाँ तो ब्रीज है. ब्रीज का मतलब है कि आइदर दिस रूम में और दिस रूम में पिट प्रेजेंट है. बट नाउ एजेंट के नॉलेज बेस के थ्रू ये इन्फर होगा कि यहाँ पिट प्रेजेंट है एंड इस रूम में वम्पस प्रेजेंट है. वाई? बिकॉज अगर यहाँ वम्पस होता तो इस रूम में भी स्टेंच होनी चाहिए थी, बट हियर इज नो स्टेंच. एंड सेकेंड थिंग कि अगर इस रूम में पिट प्रेजेंट होती तो यहाँ भी ब्रीज होनी चाहिए थी, बट हियर इज ऑल्सो नो ब्रीज. So here the agent inferred that this room 2-2 may be a safe state. So after coming to this 1-2, it moved here in the room 2-2. Mark this room as visited. Now after coming to this room, agent realized that there is no stench, no breeze. So it marked it as safe state. Okay, it is visited. So mark it as visited. Now after coming to this room, agent sensed glitter from room 3-2. So agent will move in this room. It will take the gold, sensing the glitter, then it will come back and it can easily get out of the cave without encountering either Wampus or pit, which was the main goal of agent. So as the agent came out with gold, the game ends with a success. So this was the concept of Wampus Wolf problem. Thank you.